My name is Nicolasem Cary. I'm the co-founder of blockchain.com. I wrote a paper called The Future is Decentralized. I'm also the founding commissioner of the Blockchain Commission for Sustainable Development, and I also started a charity called skyslimit.org. It's the leading youth business accelerator. So the cryptocurrency market in 2019 has seen some ups and it's seen some downs. I think overall it's been probably a positive year. There's some key trends that I think are relevant to 2019. We're still sort of working off the hangover from the ICO craze in 2017, and you've seen sort of a drop, then also growth this year in some important areas. So one, I think the emergence of stablecoins has been a really important development in 2019. Two, you've seen some institutional offerings from Backed and Fidelity that are pretty significant. These are huge financial services firms building really resilient capabilities for financial traders. So that's really interesting. We've also seen VC-backed token projects. So instead of having crazy ICOs with founders that don't have deliverables attached to their crowdfundings, you now have normalized governance models, which I think are pretty interesting. So these are pretty big developments this year. There are a couple other things that are maybe more important though. The one that's most important to me is always looking on-chain. So we're always interested in looking at the blockchain to see how many transactions are happening, are they growing, and are they stable, basically. We started blockchain.com in 2011, so we've been doing this for quite a while, and we're well known today for being the world's most popular cryptocurrency wallet. So we make an iOS, Android, and web wallet that anyone in the world can sign up for. And we add tens of thousands of users every single day. So if you're new to cryptocurrency, blockchain.com is a great place to get started. We're actually doing an airdrop right now. Airdrops are a unique feature in the cryptocurrency market, where we actually give away cryptocurrency to new users so they can start to learn how it works and why it's useful. And so anyone visiting right now can go to blockchain.com and sign up for a wallet and sign up to get some free crypto. And that's a really great way to get started. Earlier this year, we also launched a fully loaded, fully featured cryptocurrency exchange. Now, when we looked at all the exchanges in the world, we found that they were slow, they were built by non-reputable teams and firms, and we want to have really fast fiat rails to get in and out of crypto. And so anyone can sign up for our new cryptocurrency exchange, and today we're announcing a $25,000 contest for everyone that signs up and wants to trade Algorand, which is an exciting new cryptocurrency that we've partnered with that's based on a team out of MIT. IEOs are sort of the next generation of capital formation and securitization of assets using cryptocurrencies, and I think they're really interesting. We need to probably see some more robust platforms that are actually growing with lots of users before these types of assets become more interesting, but I think it's going to be a key trend to look at in 2020, and we're going to be very excited about offering new digital assets on our exchange and across our wallet platform heading into the new year. We've already announced block stacks. We've announced a digital gold product called GDLD, which is a really exciting partnership between blockchain, CoinShares, and MSK, which is one of the largest gold custodians in the world. So we'll be creating a digital gold, which is really, really exciting, secured on the Bitcoin blockchain. And what else were you up to announce? I think that's it for today. The regulatory environment is continually shaping and changing, and if you look where we were, 8-9 years ago and compared to where we are today, enormous progress has been made. The companies that are bulletproof, that have been around for a while, are doing a good job working with regulators, but mostly it's always about protecting consumers. That's really what regulators are worried about. So when you build great products that have strong KYC and AML practices, consumers are protected and everyone gets along. Libra, a very interesting development in 2019. So for those that don't know, Libra is Facebook's cryptocurrency project, and looks like they're trying to build some sort of basket of national currencies and then tokenizing that. I think they're facing some big headwinds. There's some real criticisms of Facebook's privacy practices, and it's unclear whether or not they're going to be able to keep their consortium together. We've already seen some of their partners kind of heading in a different direction. Ultimately, it's a really big deal that the largest social media media platform in the world sees cryptocurrency as a very critical component to their future strategy. So for all the debate about whether or not Libra is a good or bad thing, I think it's really important to remember that they think it's worthwhile investing in. And when the largest, most powerful social media platform in the world is exploring an emergent technology, that's really good news for everyone that's into crypto. Yeah, the normalization of regulation is probably a healthy thing for startups to at least have some predictability. And that's always been a challenge in building fintechs and building any type of company, is not knowing whether or not you're following the rules correctly. And so, we welcome having standardized legislation across an entire geography. And I think that's one of the things that makes Europe such an exciting market for building fintech products in, but especially crypto asset and cryptocurrency projects. We get a standard set of rules. We can work across the entire jurisdiction. And I think that makes Europe potentially poised to be a leader in the space. And already we kind of see that. A lot of the companies that started off in the United States actually moved to Europe to work on these projects here. And they're incredibly great teams in Berlin and London, here in Poland, in Amsterdam, in Spain, in Paris. They're all working to build the future of finance using crypto assets and digital currencies. And I think that's really exciting.